Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0.87. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations with an overall gain of 3.58%. This equates to an average return of 1.19% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the top trend line at $323.18 will firstly indicate a slower rate of decline, but may also serve as the initial sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of nearly 19% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a decrease of over 46% to just under 16%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of over 82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between approximately 43% and nearly 239% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $444.53 and $1,053.21. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock after losing 0.234%. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price fell by 0.234% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. The price decreased from $311.45 to $310.72. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.22%, with a low of $306.81 and a high of $319.75. The price has been quite variable during this period, with a gain of 1.54% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 4 million shares, resulting in a total of 11 million shares traded for approximately $3.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest was $101. Currently, the price stands at 42.78%, or $232.28, below the 52-week high of $543, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated, trading under the ticker MSTR, is making headlines today as it navigates a challenging market environment. Amid ongoing geopolitical uncertainties and fluctuating tariffs, recent reports reveal that the company has returned to funding its Bitcoin acquisitions solely through the sale of common stock. This strategic decision appears well-timed, as the recent increase in Bitcoin prices has lifted investor sentiment, contributing to a 5% rise in MSTR shares as Bitcoin experiences a rally. However, investor concerns are growing due to investigations by multiple law firms regarding potential claims on behalf of MSTR shareholders. These inquiries could create legal uncertainties, potentially exerting downward pressure on stock prices in the near term. On a more positive note, the company is capitalizing on the current market conditions to focus on key sectors such as artificial intelligence and gaming, recognizing these as significant opportunities heading into 2025. If executed effectively, this could support long-term growth and stability. Overall, MSTR's stock performance is likely to reflect a delicate balance between leveraging the appeal of Bitcoin and responding to the potential impacts of the legal investigations. If the company successfully navigates these challenges and seizes emerging market trends, it may enhance its attractiveness to investors in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, it was reported that Monnes assigned MSTR a sell grade with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Barclays gave MSTR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there exists a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, wherein the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support may be found at $285.35 and $288.47. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 9.1%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $296.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $12.94, representing a change of 4.22%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 10.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.0233. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $335.72. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $296.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let us review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Leslie J. Retchen, who bought and sold 34,800 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.665. Overall, insiders acquired 323,097 shares and sold 441,226 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $295.28, representing a decrease of 4.97%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated shows several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our analysis reveals that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open higher by $1.71, starting at $312.43. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.